equality? Let me see the answer. I want everybody to participate. Okay, I wasn't expecting like this. Well, think again. From the dawn of human being till now, we are facing the same question. And still we couldn't resolve it. There are people that say that we need equal rights for both male and female. But some people say, why? Okay, another question. What do you think about the society? Is it male dominant or female dominant?
Male dominant.
Any female dominant? But think again. Let's consider this statistics. More males are in jail. More males are the victim of rape, prison, and killing. More males are doing hard works in the society. So what do you think? Still the male are the dominant?
Yes.
You said this yesterday. But I don't think so. People think that since male are also the myth shows that they are the dominant the society, so we should get the same pay, same allowance, and same attributes for female and male. But that's not the case. The developed countries, they identify the potential of both males and females and attributed their allowance based on that. So I can see some of your faces are a little bit that disagree with me, but it's okay. This is speaking under the fire, so I'll let you take your fires. But this is not the truth. If female can work as well as males in the society, then on that time we can give the same positive and same allowance for it. But that's not our case. I have an engineering background, civil engineering. And in my field, males can do all the aspects of civil engineering every time. Structure, they can go to the sites, they can go to the planning site, they can go to the transportation, water resources, everywhere. But girls cannot do that. That's the reality. So what do you think? If you hire a girl, in the same job, would you consider the same pay? I don't think so. I wouldn't do that. Because she's not capable of doing the same job as the male. Similarly to other fields. So, what do you think? If I disagree with gender equality and gender rights, so what should we do now? I believe that both males and females have rights, but they are different, not equal. You have to identify the differences, and based on that, you should give the allowance, you should give the benefits, and you should contribute to the society if you are as good as men. So fellow Toastmasters, this was my argument about gender equality, and I think gender equality is a myth. And from 1920, when feminism started, the thing that started for the rights of women, they said that we should have equal rights with men. But now, where are they now? No. Are they defending the rights of females? I don't think so. So this is the question answer session. I want to take your questions regarding my topic. Yes.
As you said about gender equality and as you said civil engineering, girls cannot do the same type of work that the civil engineer gents can do. But it's not on their part. I'm just asking. It is on their part that they cannot perform, or
they cannot perform,
or because of the constraints created by the society and the lack of facilities and the difficulties in commuting to these scarce locations, and because of the intricacies of the whole society, it's not on their part.
Yes.
If she is committed and equally able to perform,
yes.
But society is unable to perform.
That was not just a comment on the question. But the fact is, as
Mr.
Mr. Bilal said,
this is leading to the question that
as,
I think so.
yes, as Mr. Bilal said, the society actually developed such environment that the female cannot work. But that's a very, very, in my opinion, if don't get me wrong, that's a very, very foolish excuse. You cannot do that. Let me answer that. The society is always there. Either when you're living in the USA, in the Pakistan, in Indonesia, or wherever. The society is always cruel. But the fact is, in my field, as you mentioned, in civil engineering, I've always seen, like Toastmaster Kashan and me work the same workplace. We had hired a girl civil engineer, and she was not willing to visit site. You know why? Not because of the society, because it will ruin her makeup. Now what do you think? Shall we give the same allowance based on her makeup? You cannot work the same thing? I don't think so.
But you cannot replicate that one example to every place.
I give an example of my own field. Maybe there is hundreds of examples in other fields. Yes, it's she.
Do you know that biologically women are more superior to men because while bearing a child, a woman bears 55 units of pain, and if you would have to bear that pain, or any common man or human, they would die.
Actually, I will counter argument, but it's not appropriate to say here. But the thing is that, okay, so you don't believe in gender equality?
No.
Because you're saying, well, you raise your hand for gender equality. So what do you
If
think?
you are saying that girl you were hiring, it was her personal opinion or her personal choice. Like I am ready to go with you to any site if I will be the civil engineer or mechanical engineer.
Well, think about that. You're not civil engineer right now. Yes.
I think there is a slight confusion with respect to equality as a concept.
Equality of rights.
Equality of rights. Obviously, that is going to always be based on responsibilities. But equality as a whole, like for example, I'm tall, somebody is going to be short. But it's not appropriate for anyone to sort of take some 3 inches out of my height and give to redistribute to somebody that is smaller. I think that is, I agree with that
There are
concept.
differences in equality. I will compute it.
Equality of opportunity is
Yes.
something that
Two types of equality are there. Gender equality, like the right to vote, right to participate in the rally or whatever, that's it general. Everybody has the right to do that. But there are some specific rights. The feminism, or the opposite of feminism, they always say that we need to have equal rights in both general and specific. And that's the problem. That's making some issues here. So as your question,
feminism is not a synonym of gender equality. Feminism is
why feminism started?
Feminism is I always call it difficult to pronounce, but feminism is not a synonym to gender equality. It's different.
They started for the gender equality, and that's what I mentioned that
very
one
often.
question.
Okay, so basically I'll put forward a question, but before that I'll give an example that mostly I am also the culprit, that whenever we are on road and a car does some abnormal stuff, abnormal thing like
Can you elaborate
we
on
always
that?
stereotype that that must be a woman, and we do that. So don't you think this also comes in the
Don't you think also happens for men?
subject of gender inequality or not?
But if statistically more accidents are happening than men.
That's because most drivers are men. That's a meaningless debate.
Okay, I think my time is over.
Time is over.
But still, I think the fire is not over.
I think we should have another session.
I hand over the control to the Toastmaster.